We begin in Pune, Maharashtra, where Congress workers staged a black band protest today against the police action taken on student demonstrators in Delhi. City President Prashant Jagtap led the demonstration, telling reporters that the government's handling of the students' agitation over the alleged NEET paper leak was completely unacceptable. Jagtap demanded strict accountability from the centre, saying that repeated paper leaks have shattered the trust of lakhs of students and their families, and that those responsible, both for the alleged leak and for the police crackdown on peaceful protesters in Delhi, must be identified and punished. He said the Congress party would continue intensifying its agitation across Maharashtra until the government responds with concrete action rather than silence or further use of force. Moving to Nashik, the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena held its own protest today, targeting the alleged lathi charge on students at Jantar Mantar in Delhi. MNS workers gathered with placards and raised slogans against the centre, demanding a fair and impartial probe into the incident, along with strict disciplinary and legal action against the police officials responsible for using force on peaceful student demonstrators. The party said such treatment of young protesters, many of whom were simply demanding transparency in the examination process, was unjustifiable and called on the government to hold those in command accountable. And in Mumbai, security has been visibly tightened outside the Congress party office today after the BJP announced its own counter-protest in response to Rahul Gandhi's earlier demonstration outside the Prime Minister's residence in Delhi. Police personnel have been deployed in strength around the Congress premises as a precautionary measure amid rising political tension between the two parties over the NEET controversy and the continuing fallout from the crackdown on student protesters. The developments come as the standoff between the centre and the opposition over the NEET paper leak and the treatment of demonstrating students continues to intensify across the country, with regional parties and grassroots units now joining the growing chorus of protest.